you are a beginner to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips, sharing knowledge, and having fun doing it. Today, I am going to show you how to replant flavorful, smelly basil. Basil is one of those, you add to soup, stews. It smells, give that flavor. It's flavorful, smelly herbs. And I'm going to show you how to replant it. If you do not plant the seed, how to replant it and make it grow very well. So let's dive right in. Alright, so we are going to replant these herbs. And this herb is Italian large leaf basil. All we have to do is, I have 2 pots because there is 2 in here. I've loosened it up a little. Make sure you loosen it up so you don't break it, because it's hard. There's no water to it. So remove these each one, and then another one for this one. And I'm going to make my hole in here, just a little here, so I can insert this well. I take one of these, and I am just going to make sure that I press down on this with my 2 fingers each side. Press down, bring out the soil, and then push down a little bit, making sure that it's all firm in the center. Now I will add a little bit more soil on the side. And they should help a lot. So this is enough soil. And so now you can see this is at the center, and then I make the same hole here in the center, in the middle, and then I'm going to place this inside the center. I'm going to bring the soil on top and then push down with my 2 fingers. Turn this around, push down again, making sure that it's firm in the center. And then I add a little bit more soil. You can smell it already. Oh my goodness. Who doesn't love basil? Basil is so amazing for any soup, stews. And you just go to your garden fresh. You don't have to buy the store-bought one. Fresh. You can reserve this in the freezer, and then I'll show you all this when it's all grown and you don't know what to do with it. I'll show you how to preserve it so it will last for a longest time for you to use anytime you want. Alright, so once this is done, we are just going to give it water. So we're just going to give them water now, and I just use my hands like this. It helps a little bit. Okay. Okay, so this should be enough water for this to start growing. In 3 days, we should start seeing a little life in this. And then we just give water to this one as well. Right, so give this water as well. Make sure that there is no sand on these, or there's no soil. Alright, so this should be enough water for this to start growing quickly. And then you can see this is how easy it is. It's not that hard to replant herbs, whether it comes to basil, parsley, it doesn't matter. Whatever herbs you have, you can replant them very nicely and take care of them so they can grow well. And also I have a video on how to plant okra, how to plant sweet corn, how to plant yam tuber, how to plant parsley or replant parsley. You can watch those videos. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel, share this video where you think it will be helpful for somebody else. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let me show you how to plant or replant the next thing. Let's dive right in. And where are you watching from? Also, what are you planting this year? Have you thought of what you can plant? Vegetables, herbs? Start with just 2 containers. It's easy and you will love it. And I'll see you on the next. I hope you have fun as you start. Share anything you are doing with us.